Hi, it's David, W5CWT with the Rusk County ARES program. I'm going to give you a couple of quick videos here. First, we're going to start out by showing you how to download some software that we use for our local drills. Three pieces of software we really need to use. One of them is RMS Express or WinLink Express. One of them is a sound modem card, which acts as a TNC program. And then the third package of software is actually two packages together, FL Digi and the accompanying FL Message program. So let's download those programs real quick, make sure we have them on our computer. First of all, FL Digi and FL Message. We're going to go to the w1hkj.com website. You can find it here. Make sure you download from this page. This is the best page to download from. You'll notice right here on the front page, we're looking for two different files, FL Digi, which is the very first one. Simply click it, and it'll take you to an index of files where you're going to choose, if you're running in Windows, the setup.exe program. Click on that one. It should ask you to save it. You say save. Once it saves, you can open it and go through the process, follow the steps of installing it on your computer. After you install FL Digi, we're going to go back to the main page and install FL Message. Same thing, it's going to take you to a different directory. You're going to choose the setup.exe file, save it on your computer, and once it's finally saved, then click on it down on the bottom and open it up, run it, and follow the instructions on the installation. You can also download FL Rig if you would like. This is a program that helps control your radio interfacing between your computer and the radio if you have that. I typically don't use that for handheld radios or just working in the field, but that is also a possibility. Always make sure you install the latest versions of these. They come out pretty frequently, sometimes once a month, sometimes more than once a month. So kind of keep an update or an idea of how often, or see when new ones come out and update those. You will need to go through the manual process of uninstalling old versions. They do not install on top of each other. So you can install the latest version with the current version already installed, but you'll need to go through your Windows add and remove programs through the Start menu. Go to Start menu and then type in Programs, and you'll find the Add or Remove Programs, and use that link to uninstall the older versions, I would say, after you install the new versions for these programs of FL Digi and FL Message. The next program we're going to use is the Sound Link, or the Sound Modem card. The Sound Modem card. This is a pretty simple program written by UZ7HO. You can go to his website, uz7.ho.ua, or simply Google UZ7HO and Sound Modem, all one word. When you get to this page, you're going to scroll down toward the bottom down here. There are two of them. Don't get the wrong one. Make sure you get the one that says Sound Modem 100. That's the one that you want. You do not want the HS Sound Modem 21. So Sound Modem 100.zip. You're just going to click on that. Again, you'll save it to your computer. Now, this is a zipped file. There's no installation here. So once you save it, open the file, open the zip file, and then copy the file out. Let me show you how this works just so you'll see it. We're going to save it down here at the bottom, and then I'm going to say, I'm going to open this file, which on Windows, the default action is to open it. You'll see there's one thing inside the zip file. It is the program itself. Easiest thing to do is to say copy, right click it, say copy, and then maybe come to your desktop, say right click and paste. And I've already got a copy of it here, so it's asking me to replace it. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it here. And then, boom, there is the program. There is no installation. You just simply copy the exe file to your desktop, and eventually you will run that file directly as it is. Again, no installation. The one last program we need is RMS, or WinLink Express. You can get that from the winlink.org website. Simply go to winlink.org and then click on Downloads. Now you're going to choose User Programs and then choose the WinLink Express Install. That's one down here toward the bottom. It's one of the larger files. You'll see WinLink Express Install. Click it. Again, it's a zip file. You'll open it and you'll go through the steps of how to install it. Just follow the instructions on installing it. Use these programs. So there you go. So look for the other videos that we have that show how to use these programs in the field. I'm David, W5CWT.